Don almost got electrocuted. This is a busy spot on the Mandela, and it is dangerous to cross. Back in the day, when Jamaica was Jamaica, we knew this. Are you old enough to have ever used one of these? Don sees the customer he is about to deliver to. Looks like he is on the waving gallery at Norman Manley International Airport. Wait a minute. Let's see that again. There was a time when the Jamaican government and the power company knew better than this. But we are here to deliver packages, so let's get on with it. Oh Lord, she camera shy. Remember, we deliver your packages anywhere, uptown, downtown, and out of town. No packages too big, no packages too small. We deliver it all. Parce que d'autres ont décidé, les gringos savent dans la cave.